The release of SAFe 4.5 brings many improvements to the framework. In order to help you get through these, we've recorded a set of small videos that dive into these topics in depth. We hope you enjoy these, and thank you for watching.
Well, that's a very good question, because if you have a small, simple application, testing and deploying is quite easy. At least it's possible. If you look in a big enterprise organization, a lot of times you have a lot of dependencies. You have multiple systems working end-to-end together, and not one single application that's doing the work. So when you look into deployment and releasing of those applications, it's very important that they are able to deploy without a lot of dependencies. So the challenge is getting rid of those dependencies. And how can you do that? Is by, for instance, if you look at microservices, you have multiple versions of a same service. So each service can deploy without any problems, just by deploying a new version. And when all other applications are converted to that new service, then you can remove the old one, or this way it's possible to continuously deploy, continuously grow and evolve a service or a website or whatever you like, without the problem that you break anything else. Well, the options are creating an integration, automated framework, so sort of a software factory wherein you at least test end-to-end all those components in the chain. And end-to-end testing is very important in that part. So constantly validating if your chain is still working. So this way you're able to still be able to release whenever you like. And well, that needs to be automated, because testing this manually isn't an option. You don't have the time for that. Well, I think tools are really dependent on the application landscape you have. There are some familiar tools like the Microsoft area. You have the TFS suite that offers a lot of possibilities and has a lot of extensibilities as well. In the open source community you have Jenkins, that is a solid base for deploying your applications. If you look at the enterprise solutions, IBM has a software factory solution to deploy. It will cost some investment, but in the long run you still earn that back by being able to deliver more often with a stable quality and a stable solution. And eventually that's continuous delivery is not the mean or the goal itself. It eventually helping your customers sooner, faster, with a high quality, stable product. That's the goal.